So are you doing at home? Hope you're very well at home. Okay, darling. Now today we are ready to learn a new song, right? Teacher is going to sing a beautiful song for you, right? First, let's see what our song is about. Today, our song is about two little birds. Two little Dikie birds. Okay, I'm going to show you who is this Dikie bird. Okay? Right. I have one here and another one here. Right now, how many birds are there? There are two birds. And the two birds are sitting on a wall. They are sitting on a wall. Now let's listen to the song first. Two little Dikie birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Once again. Two little Dikie birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Was it beautiful, children? Yes. Now you're going to practice this song at home. Okay? Right. Now, tell me, who was sitting on the wall? Very good. There were two birds sitting on the wall. Now tell me, what were their names? The first one, the blue one is Peter. This is Peter. And the pink one is Paul. Peter and Paul. They were sitting on a wall. Then what happened? We said, fly away, Peter. Oh, we asked Peter to fly away. Fly away, Paul. Now we ask Paul to fly away too. And then we again ask them to come back. අපි ආයෙත් කිව්වා අපේ චුටි කුරුල්ලන්ට එන්න කියලා නේද? Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Now, today we learned a new song. Take out your poem book and over there you can find two little Dikie birds song. Okay? Now you can draw a beautiful picture of two birds sitting on a wall. Right? And then you can color them beautifully. Okay, children? I hope you will enjoy today's activity. Have a nice day and stay safe. Goodbye.